Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have been following me, then you already know what has been going on. You want to say hi? Say hi. It just feels amazing to wake up in a new scenery, a new environment. So not only do I feel blessed, comments and the love that you guys have given me, y'all showed up and showed out, y'all. I have read every single comment and I just feel even more loved. Just knowing that I have an extended family with all of you guys just makes this whole journey even more enjoyable for me. With that being said, I want to give a personal shout out to one of my supporters. I'm asking of you guys to subscribe to their channel. Their channel is called Being the Watkins. Pranks, they do vlogs, they do story times, all of the good stuff. So head over there and tell them that I sent you, because at the end of the day, support is free. I'll talk to you guys and let you guys know how it's been for the last 24 hours. That I've been doing, I've been exploring, I've been shopping, and we still have so much unpacking to do. So don't mind the mess, guys. Boxes are literally everywhere. One thing at a time, one day at a time. In this vlog, I do want to try to tackle one room, and that one room being the kitchen. Only because it's my favorite part. I mean, so far I love it. I absolutely love being here. The vibe is different. The energy is nice. Everywhere we went, everybody was smiling, just greeting us. It was just a lot of love, which I really can appreciate coming from New York, where you just always have to feel like you have to be on guard. So, quick update. We have ordered our beds. A lot of stuff is gonna be coming in today and tomorrow. Right here is my mattress, my box spring. Over here is me and Lyric's mattresses. They both got some sheets. So now we're just waiting for the headboard. I think my headboard's coming on they said between the 15th and the 17th. And I believe the girls' beds are supposed to be coming in the 26th, but mind you, we paid for expedited shipping, but they played us, so we're gonna have to be on the phone with customer service. And today, I wanna just do a little cleaning. I'm gonna basically work on just cleaning up the house. The kitchen is my favorite part, so you know we're gonna tackle all of these cabinets. I know how to go shopping. Tell me why there's like 5 different Walmarts. Walmarts are humongous and you could go grocery shopping. I'm just like, this is a new world. I'll do a quick little haul and I'll show you what I got. I got some Lysol molded mildew remover with bleach. I have some Clorox disinfectant, mist surface stuff. I love this stuff. Some Weiman stainless steel wipes to clean the refrigerator. Cause you know, we upped it up a notch. You know, we can't just wipe it with just the regular basics. You gotta use the stainless steel wipes. Of course, got some hangers. We have a lot of clothes. We got some pink and purple cute little hangers for the girls. These are so cute. And I got some Weiman cooktop daily cleaner so I can clean the stove off as well. I got some more stuff. I know I got more stuff. A lot of the stuff that I'm gonna get is just gonna be ordered offline because Amazon is my go-to. To Ross, I was just looking. Ross has really cute stuff. It's almost like a Marshall TJ Maxx. So I picked out this metal fruit dish. I always wanted one of these. It looks very elegant. Look at these mom jeans that they have. I picked out these jeans for Lyric. These are another pair I got for her. Cute little hoodie. Love the color. The bag.
Juicy Couture pillow.
So cute. How much was this?
$15.
$15 for this cute Juicy Couture pillow. So she got that. Is that Rose too?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got this biotin oil. Maybe $5 for this. Me and her together, I was just like, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. So I have to get this blanket. It says black is beautiful, and then it has all of these beautiful little black girls on it. How cute is this? To represent for the culture, okay? I have not done my hair in a while, so I was like, I need to get my products and rebuild again. If you don't know about Curlsmith, do your research. But anyway, big thing for only $20, y'all. $20. Silk Therapy Original Bio Silk. This is really good. It's a great heat protectant when you're blow drying your hair. Got some personal, some hygiene. Y'all need to see that. And then Lyric got this beautiful pink robe, which I'm probably gonna be wearing too. I forgot to show you guys this. I already opened it, but I got this. I think it's Wise or Wiz cordless vacuum. It's very easy. It's lightweight. But the safety hazards on this had me a little skeptical.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You gonna eat all your fruit? Sit down right here. Come on. Chilling right now, y'all. We don't got no couch, but it's okay because we are happy and we are healthy. Aww, he's giving his sister lovey loves.
I love you, Relic.
Guys, say hi.
Everybody, hi, siblings.
hope everybody's doing well. Freezing in New York. I just came back, went on a shopping spree. My other daughter took me on a shopping spree because tomorrow's my birthday. Yeah,
We can still do it virtual. Period. We're having separation anxiety issues right now. Get used to it. Until my mom makes her way down here, this is what it's gonna be, okay? My birthday's tomorrow. So shout out to all my Capricorns. Make sure you guys comment down below. Happy birthday, Sandy B. My room together because my clothes are all over the place, but for the most part I've been able to get like my skincare and all that stuff, like my necessities. But yeah, it's a lot of the stuff that I brought I could have just tossed. I'm blaming on my family because everybody was just trying to help me pack, so stuff was just getting thrown in the bags, and a lot of the stuff I just don't need. So I'm just gonna go through the stuff little by little. I'm not gonna really like put too much pressure or set like a time limit for myself because you know I have a lot of time to do this and I work from home, so I'm trying to get like the main things in order, like our beds. I'm looking for a couch, but I don't really want to order a couch. As we were out and about, we saw some furniture stores. I seen like an IKEA, and then there was another one, so I'm probably gonna take you guys when I do that to pick out a nice couch. But as I was going through my stuff, I started to get a little emotional because I found my memory jar that my mom had made for me when we were leaving. Can't see us, hold on. Decided to do this with you guys on camera because I rock with you guys. This was the memory jar that my mom had made for me for our going away party. And I decided that I wanted to do it today. Actually, I just came across it when I was unpacking some stuff. I am missing my family a little bit, but it would be really bad for me. I feel like I'm at peace, so that's what's holding me and that's what's keeping me strong. And I do miss my mom, my road dog, and of course my grandma, because we're like this. But the kids are happy for the most part. You guys loving it here?
Yeah.
Kids have adapted really well, which is a plus. So this one says, Shelly, I will never forget the day you were born. You were like a pink rose. I wish you and your family the best of luck. Love forever, Nanny.
I miss Nanny.
I miss Nanny too. That was so beautiful. Oh my God, Nanny, I love you so much. And if you're watching this, I miss you so much. And I remember what you said. Always, always here and always thinking about you too.
Lyric, my favorite memory is taking you to church and your singing.
Peaches, my memory is giving you life. Being my baby girl. Love, Mom.
Aww.
Ride or die. I have so many hilarious, but the best ones was when we smoked with, I can't say the name, and you turned into that Incredible Hulk. You are the funniest person I ever met, and I'm gonna miss you so much, Chachi. I love you forever, Chachi. If you know, you know. We had so many memories. My cousin and I like saw her, you saw me, so only we would understand. It's like an inside joke. But I miss you too, Chach. Congrats on your new place and new journey. I wish you guys the best, and of course we are coming to visit, so have the singles ready. Love, Tommy. Shout out to my brother-in-law. You already know, bro. Bro, pull up. I got the singles ready. Play this dice game in the summer. If you know, you know. I be gambling a little something, just a little bit. To Shelly B, the best memory I have of you is when you were born, and I care for you as a baby. I love you forever on Daffy. Aww, I love you too, B. My memories of Michelle is our family gatherings. You're the one who was the life of the party, Michelle. You're such a sincere and caring person. Your personality is going to take you a long way. Your keenness, your sharpness, you will forever be in my heart, Michelle. Love you always, Cousin Nia. She's my cousin, but I call her Amrita. Amrita has so many good characteristics about her, and one of the memories I can remember about her is, if you're ever hungry, go to Amrita's house. So all I'm saying is Chipotle. You are always welcome to come back and visit. I'm definitely coming to visit when you get settled. Love always, Tia. That was one of our best memories when we went to go visit our cousin Talea in Connecticut. She showed us such a beautiful time. She cooked for us. She took us all around CT. So definitely want to reciprocate and give you that when you pull up down here. So let me know when you're ready. Mia, my favorite memory is you are the best hugger in the world, and Nana will miss your hug so much. Aww. Mia's very affectionate, so she's always touching my mom and my grandma. She just loves to touch, and she literally gives the best hugs. Like, you could feel the love when she like grabs you. Justice, my favorite memory of you is teaching you school. Aww. Justy!
Oh, I hear him.
He's coming,
I
y'all.
hear him.
He's coming.
Nana says she missed him.
Nana said she missed you.
Look, read it to him.
Nana said her favorite memory of you is when she teaches you school, right? Nana's your teacher? Okay, that was short-lived. I'm gonna miss us going and get frozen yogurt and hanging out in the summer on the porch. Shasha loves all of you. Me too, babe. I'm gonna miss that so much. Shells, when we reconnected, I used to come down every other weekend with shenanigans. We would have twerk time, and her and I would have me twerk teaching for hours. Yes, good times. I don't know what you wrote here, but I'm gonna try to break it down because I can't read it. Either that or my eyes is bad. I used to call her Stinker Booty and would just laugh and laugh. I love you, Ka. I love you too. So to you, Ka, I miss you so much, Ka. That's the one who was singing really beautifully in the video, but she's the reason how I learned how to really dance, because every time we would meet up with her, she would be showing us a new move, and that girl could move. So this is something that I could always keep. It's very memorable, and it just shows how close we are as a family. No matter how far we are, everybody's always in my heart, and I miss everybody so much. I'm not gonna get emotional, but I do miss my family. But I feel like God has bigger plans for me and for my children. And when God leads me down a road, a path, I have to follow what God says. So that's pretty much it. But I'm going to end this vlog because I feel a little emotional. I'm gonna close it out right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog. You're gonna see more and more as I evolve and along our journey in North Carolina, but we've been loving it. The last couple of days have been amazing here. Charlotte has been good to us so far. The food has been great. Did go shopping and stuff like that, but we're gonna do more. We're gonna explore more, and we're gonna bring you guys with us as we go through and learn everything, the ins and the outs and stuff. So stay tuned for more vlogs, and if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl, because let them know your girl's a vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on what?
Period.
I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Simply Shell, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube.